Hey guys, have you been hearing a lot about mocktails? Have you been hearing about Agua Bonita? That's what this video is about. It is a new crave that's coming on strong. More and more people are ditching their alcohol, but still want their cool drinks, their cocktails, mocktails. They want those cool drinks that taste really great without the alcohol because we're getting healthier, religious reasons, whatever. I just got back from Dubai and I love that they don't really drink a lot over there, but every restaurant, theaters, everywhere we went had amazing mocktails that we could order. And I just really love that. So when I came home, I started looking for how can I do that at home? And I found this great company called Agua Bonita. So I want to tell you guys all about it. I'm Zachus. Here we go. Okay guys, so there's a lot out there. I mean, you can mix your own, there's all kinds of recipes where you can mix your own stuff up, blend it. You can buy real cucumbers, deal, all the different mixture, watermelon, hibiscus. You can make your own hibiscus and stuff, but I don't have time for that. I'm super busy. Maybe you are too, and that's why you're here. So I went looking and I found this really cheap company called Mocktail Unique Crafted or something like that. It was like, I think $10 for a box of 12 of these. And of course I'm cheapo, so I'm just like, okay, let me try it. They were nasty gross. I just wanted to show you because I want you to know I'm trying different things. And I've been out and I now go to the bartenders like at the movie theaters and I say, hey, I don't drink, but can you make me a mocktail? Can you pull out some creative juices? And they usually love it and have fun doing it and make these amazing drinks. But I stumbled across this great company doing a special promotion. They were doing a sample pack for like $5. Like you got 4 of these, 4 different flavors or 3 different flavors for $5, shipping everything. What do I have to lose? So me and some family members ordered them that don't drink and want to try this. So fell in love with them. I've ordered 3 times from them now. My favorite is this one. It's called the pineapple cucumber and it is amazing. Okay, I'm going to show you some video of me doing this, but I pour a little bit of cucumber in a glass. I splash it with some ginger beer to give that little bit of bitterness. You want that little pop of a contrast in it, but not too much. And then I fill the rest of it with Sprite, like 3 parts, but the ginger beer is a lot less. So, and then I stir it or shake it. I like a lot of ice, so it's nice and cool and refreshing. So I usually shake it or at least stir it all together, and it's just amazing. I'm not a huge fan of the hibiscus. It's just not my thing. It's really kind of more flowery and girly. I guess to some guys all of this is, but I like my mocktails. The sweet melon is a new flavor they just came out with. I really like it. And I'm a huge fan of the watermelon chili. It's got a little tiny bite to it, kind of like the mango habanero, just a little bit. And if you want to get spicy, I do a little sometimes spicy ginger beer or mango spicy ginger beer. Just, shake it up a little bit, try some different things. It's a lot of fun and it's super easy because they just come. They're non-sparkling, so there's no fizz or anything. It's just the juice and it's all natural. It's like light on sugar, not a lot of sugar. It's just really got this amazing high quality flavor. I'm really surprised. I chill them in my refrigerator and then I pack the glass full of ice to the brim and then I pour in at least, a good portion of the Bonita and then just like I said, like a couple of, little splashes of the ginger beer and then the rest with Sprite. Because you want the sweetness from the Sprite, you want the fizz, you want that lemon and lime because it kind of brightens it all up and it all just comes together to make this beautiful mocktail. Now you that are watching this video that drink or don't like mocktails, I don't know why you're watching the video, but okay. But you probably know all this or oh, of course that's common sense. But a lot of you out there are trying to figure this out like me. So I wanted to do an honest video with you and I wanted to just say, this is doable, and for $30, I get a 12-pack. And if you get sometimes you get a special. I've got the specials where I've got a 12-pack for $20. Shipping, taxes, everything to my door. And I can't get enough of them. I don't drink them all the time or anything. It's an occasional thing, maybe twice a week or something. I'll make one, but it is so easy and so nice because you literally just pull it out of the fridge and they keep. Like, even I never drink the whole can, right? Because I open it and I pour just a little tiny bit in. They keep. Because they're not sparkling, they don't lose their fizz or anything. They keep and they don't go bad. They will go bad over a year or something, but they don't go bad. Like, I use a can like 3 or 4 times to make, 4 so they really stretch out, And I just ordered these awesome new dual layered goblets for cocktails because I was getting tired of them sweating and getting water everywhere. So I'm going to do a whole video on that from Golan. Super premium, super heavy. Just, you want that still premium feel that comes with alcohol, right? The whiskey, all that stuff. But you don't want the alcohol, you don't want to, it's like, why do we have to do without? Why does it have to be all or nothing? So that is why I'm doing this video, because a lot of people are going alcohol free for whatever reason, for health reasons, religious reasons, both. I don't drink for religious reasons and for health reasons. I've seen people that drink a lot, that look a lot older than me, that, it hurts your body. It can affect your body in a lot of ways. And then I believe that it's just not wise to tamper with stuff that could affect you. I've seen people think they could control their alcohol and then they get out of control. I've seen abusive situations. I've seen where in ministries where the kids, our teens and stuff, would go home with no food because their parents spent all their paycheck on alcohol. Just, you never know. You don't know if you're going to be able to take just one drink or if it's going to be 10 drinks. I had a dad who, was very modest with his alcohol, but he found out his teenage son wasn't. He said, "Dad, you drink." And he found out he was keeping alcohol in his closet. He was drinking alone. He was getting drunk alone. And he had all his problems. I don't want my kids to have that. I don't know what my kids are going to see me do. And even though I might can control it. So that's why I say no. I don't think it's wrong, but it's just like, I'm not judging me. I guess I'm just saying I don't judge you if you drink. It's your choice. You have to make that choice between you and God and your life and your decisions. But for me, that's why I don't. And so, but I still don't want to just be left out. Like, I don't want to just have to drink soda or tea, or water, juice. There's so many cool things out there that people are doing. And there's 0 fat, only 105 grams of sodium, 21 grams of carbs, 16 sugar, 1 protein, 90 calories. And it is women owned. I don't know if that's a big deal. It's not a big deal to me. I don't care. It is vegan. It's gluten free. There's 2 servings of fruit, real fruit in every can. So I think that's really cool. You can really taste the quality. I've tried Cerebral. This is one of the worst I've tried. It's a nice glass bottle. You would think it's quality, but when you put this with anything, I've tried all kinds of mixtures, and there's 4 different flavors. I threw them away because they were so bad. I didn't want to give them away to people. So that's it for me. I hope this helped. If you have any questions or you have any concerns or you need more information, always comment below. I'm always down there checking you guys out. Hit that subscribe button. It's free to do so. Cancel anytime. Become part of the Zacchaeus Nation. You'll be notified first when I put up videos just like this. I've got some cool videos coming. And I love you guys. I love seeing your beautiful face. And I'm so glad that we got to meet like this. And I'm excited for the next video where we get to meet again. Peace.